everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing a USA Train steamer. This has been a while in the making, and I think we're going to really enjoy this. So we're going to start with the tender, and we'll see how this goes.
Yes, sir. Let's get right into it, shall we?
All right.
Oh, no, you don't need to cut it. Oh, see.
All right, here comes the fancy part. We're cutting open the box for a box.
That's a world-class unboxing if I've ever seen one. You know what I'm saying? Let's crack it open.
There we go.
Okay, we got some foam. You know, love
Okay.
to see it.
Okay, we got another box. Another box in the box. I guess we got a lift. Oh boy. Oh,
That's pretty heavy.
that's a heavy train. Well, this is a pretty good unboxing so far. All right, I think this is where we get to see the special box in the box.
Oh, is it gonna be another box?
Wow.
Oh, wow, we
Now,
gotta show this to the camera. Yeah,
that
yeah.
is pretty impressive there. I am really impressed.
That's like. Oh yeah, that's a good sound right there.
That might be nicer than the train. All right. Wow. Oh, a little teaser there. Wow. That is impressive. Look at the quality of detail on that. I'm really impressed. That is quite the unboxing experience. All right, I think it's time to take it out of the crate. Hopefully, we've done this correctly, and it should just slide out.
You got it?
I think this is a two-person job.
All right. Oh,
It has
slice
to
of
be,
the fingers. Have to live on the edge.
Oh. Okay, you grab that side.
Okay.
Okay. All right,
Take the foam off.
we can put it right.
Put it on top.
Yeah.
Oh, it actually like rests.
It's like for display. Wow. Now that is an impressive tender. Maybe we should just walk them around the tender just so they get a better perspective.
Yes, sir.
I'll kind of lift it up. See what else it says here. Water and fuel. So this is the water and fuel tank. So this is a oil powered engine. Pretty cool. Taking a look at the other side. You can see here, two little flaps. Those don't open. These open. Those do not open. This looks very impressive. And just like, try rolling it.
Look how many wheels on that. Wow, that's smooth.
That's smooth, really.
Is this part of it?
Yeah,
Wow. We got like hubcaps, bro.
metal detail. I want to show them the bottom of it. This is a very heavy train, but you can see how many wheels are there. Looks like the one set is actually able to turn, and the rest are just straight. And they roll nice.
Oh, this one also like goes up and down too.
Wow, look, that spin is fantastic on them. Okay. You don't want this falling.
Probably break the floor.
All right. I think that is a very impressive tender. That's a fantastic unboxing of the tender. Now we have to do the engine.